Yeah, I see that.
You see how he does that?
Yep. You know, something like this would be a good training video too, to show people, you know, that you can take horses from this to what he's going to turn out to be. Marketing and advertising, that was my background.
He just doesn't relax the same way this direction, and then he's a little bit weaker this direction. And he gets a little nervous about it.
Yeah.
And then sometimes he's like, I can't do it, and then he breaks.
There.
You see how he just won't relax the same way?
Yep.
And then there he swaps off.
Okay.